Welcome back to TechRooms. Today we're going to show you how to install WhatsApp on the OnePlus Nord N100. So we have to open Google Play Store, and there we would basically have to search WhatsApp, which we can click the little loop, WhatsApp, it's there. Once we find the app, we click install. Of course, you have to be signed into your Google account. Make sure that you don't need parent permission to download it. As you can see, it's already downloaded it, it's installing. And it'll take a few seconds as the OnePlus Nord N100 is not the fastest phone, but it'll work no problem. So let's give it a few seconds, and we will basically go and open our apps folder, which is this little arrow. We scroll up, and in a moment we'll see WhatsApp, like it just appeared there, and probably also will be on our home screen here. So that is how you install WhatsApp on your OnePlus Nord N100. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.